When we look at the ATS and we look at it in terms of kind of a performance luxury sedan, for us, it was really about filling out the segment and filling out our portfolio. So right now, we don't compete in compact luxury, which tends to be, the broadest and the highest sales from a segment standpoint within luxury. So we felt, one, we need an entry there, and if we're going to do it, let's make it a performance sedan that's fun to drive. The 2-liter turbo engine that we put in this vehicle is the heart of the ATS, and from an engine lineup standpoint. It's very power efficient and power dense, we like to call it. So you're going to get nearly 135 horsepower per liter. So you look in the industry, that's a big number. Anytime you get over 100 horsepower per liter, you're doing well. So 135 is tipping the scales pretty aggressive. But more than that, it's very efficient. It's going to deliver very strong fuel economy numbers as well. So you combine those two, you're going to offer a great performing engine with great fuel economy to a customer who wants fun to drive performance. So all those marry together extremely well. Offering a combination of performance, great torque, great performance numbers, and fuel economy and efficiency. It really blends together in a real modern package. It has direct injection capabilities, it's all multi-valve. You think about us trying to market this vehicle in Europe, you're marketing in China, Middle East, other parts of the world. That's why it's so important for us. The buyers we expect for this new ATS, it's pretty simple. We want people who are into fun to drive, performance, and technology. Okay, it's not really in this vehicle segment. It's not about an age demographic or an income. It's really about the psychographics of the person. These people want a vehicle that's fun to drive, that's nimble, that's enjoyable, but at the same time they want all the technology that they can find in luxury cars today. They want fuel economy, they want performance, and they want driving dynamics, and that's what this vehicle delivers. Simply put, it delivers in spades. I mean, this vehicle is so strong in all three of those areas, and that's really what sets it apart. It'll start this summer in our Cadillac assembly plant, our Lansing Grand River assembly plant. Again, we're pretty excited about that. It's an award-winning plant. It's won numerous quality awards. But for us too here, being our home state in Michigan, it's going to drive about 600 new jobs and almost $200 million in investment. So those are things that we're pretty proud of at Cadillac to bring home to our home state. We have 3 simple words we use to describe this vehicle: nimble, quick, and fun. And when you think of those 3 words, you kind of look at it nimble. I mean, just looking at the car is very taut, it's very athletic, and it looks aggressive to communicate that driving stance. It's quick, very responsive steering, lightweight, 3,400 pound curb weight, extremely lightweight, so it gives it a very fun to drive dynamic. And then you think of, fun, all the technology that's in this vehicle from our new interface system. People are going to enjoy driving this vehicle, and they're having a great experience in it. This vehicle, when we look at the ATS, and there's some really interesting things from an interior standpoint, exterior design standpoint, that I think customers will appreciate. One, when they look at it from a design perspective, it looks fun to drive. So the designers have put a lot of emphasis on making it very taut, making it very athletic, making it look lightweight even when it's just standing still. And then at the same time, we've loaded it with great technology and craftsmanship. So everything from our new Cadillac user interface system to advanced cut and sew technologies that really heighten the craftsmanship level of the ATS.